Alright, so here's a little update on the Roadster. Yeah, I've had it for about, I don't know how many. Yeah, this thing is so annoying. I'm trying to, what do you call it? Work out this new crane I got, because, I don't know, I'm trying to figure out how to work it and shit. But it's like, it's all googly eyed and shit. Alright, so back to this. So yeah, I had this for about, I don't know. I got it in April of last year. No, May, my fault, May 12th. It's the anniversary. May, no. I don't know. But here it is in all its glory for right now. Here's an update. Can I lock the door? Let's take a look inside. Alright, so the first thing is a little update on this. I got a works bell. Let me see if it's freaking on. Right there. Yeah, there you can see it right there. Yeah, my hand's ashy. God damn. But yeah, this is I love this thing. It's like the best touch on this damn car so far. This shit dirty as hell. But whatever. Damn. Yo, this crate is wild. I gotta learn how to use this shit. But it's about to freaking, alright. But yeah, all you gotta do is just click down and then you pull forward or pull towards you and it comes back up. I love it. It's like click. Let me stop before I break it. One more time. Alright. Be Gucci. But yeah, that's pretty much that. The Momo steering wheel came with the car. So shout out to the Japanese chap that had this, you know what I'm saying? He has some good taste. What else is there? Alright, we got the Folk wheels. They're Folks TE38s. They're not 37s, T37s. T38 Folk with an F. Folk wheels. Because they're Roadsters. The wheels came with like that with the sticker on them when I bought them, so don't get butthurt, people. I just did my research and said, they make Folks this size. Folks. So I was like, let me flex a little bit. But I'm telling you niggas that it's not real. So, but the wheels are running right now are 17 by 8 with offset at 20, and this freaking crane is going googly. Oh no. What else is there? Right there. Running about I think -5 in the back. -5. Camber in the back, you can't really see it at all, but I'm running -12. No, -14 in the front. Courtesy of this guy, what is this? Wolf on Dead is his name on I'm gonna say Craigslist on Instagram. He makes like custom control arms and stuff like that for like what is it, Miatas, E36s and like E30s and Hondas, anything pretty much. Yeah, this thing is like so. Put this car on real quick. The only thing I love about Japanese cars on their stick, you don't gotta press the clutch in. Damn, this shit, yeah. I've been driving this winter time. My shit dirty. But anyway, you gotta press the clutch in for the car to turn on, because there's no safety, clutch safety on the thing, on any of them. So what you have to do is pretty much make sure this bitch is not in drive, because you sure will go for a ride. Because sometimes I like to, like to show off, like to stand up and just turn it on. Man, them knuckles hurt, boy. God damn. Ooh. I'm a working man, alright? Don't judge me. Alright, so all you gotta do is like that. Start right up. How many miles I got on there? I got it with like 138,000 kilometers. Now I got 146, almost 10,000 kilometers. So I was roughly about 6,000 miles, I think. I'm not 100% sure. What else is there? Oh yeah, let me show you these camber arms that I got. Oh, and plus I got Megan Racing coilovers on this damn thing. And what else? I got upper adjustable control arms, which if you're trying to get camber or like adjust them, if you about that life, you want that, don't get them, because they're gonna give you like maybe like adjustment of like 4. So I'd only recommend them if you get them like for like if you want to like track it or something like that. That's when you get them things. And for like regular usage, what I'm doing, I just got them so I can adjust the control arm, because they're not because the bottom ones are not adjustable at all. So you're gonna have to run 12. 12 is the lowest because these things go up to like 20, negative 20, and it's crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna give you a little show what they look like. I mean, the guy makes pretty good. Damn, that didn't sound good. I think my fenders are rubbing a little bit, but fuck it. Let me give you a little show of what they look like. And it gives you some good, you can tell my tires are almost gone already. But you could tell by the wear, camber wear, that these tires are gonna go. But in there, the yellow ones right there are the adjustable ones. And they come with, I don't know if you can see that shit in there. That's what everybody's saying when they're in a tight spot. I don't know if you can see it in there, but that's what it is. There you go. You see the elongated tie rod that he made. He makes custom tie rods as well to fit the extended control arm. I don't know if you can see up there. That red one right there is where you could get excuse me, I'm freaking sick. The adjustable control arm, which was a lot of money too. So don't get it if you don't need it. Oh man, I was hurting, man, hurting. But he also makes drift knuckles. So I'm also in the works of getting that. Oh yeah, radiator. I put a new radiator in because coming from H2O, I noticed the car was overheating, but I made it all the way from New York, from Maryland, which is 5.5 hours. Not smartest idea to keep going, but it cooled down when I was on the highway, so we good. But side note, radiator, Yanaka, that's what I got. So, cause I was like, let me give it a try. Not because it was cheap, because I had Yanaka parts before in the past, and I'm like, let me fuck with it. Wrong. Don't fuck with it. What else is there? Yeah, so don't get a Yanaka. If it's an exhaust, get a Yanaka exhaust. Fucking Bob's your uncle, you know what I'm saying? But if it's like intricate parts that you need for your car to survive, don't buy a radiator for them. I mean, I bought it from them. So I bought it from them. It looked nice in there, but I mean, it's not bolted in. Like literally, it's only stuck in there because I had to push it in there. Like it looked nice. It don't move, as you can see. Look, moving that hard as it's not bolted in there. It's not bolted at all. Look at that. It's not even moving. I literally had to push it in there. I had to shove it in there. So don't buy one. I'm definitely gonna get a Mishimoto or a Koyo rag. Cause my friend is like, oh, you gotta get a Koyo rag, man. But yeah. I'm freaking sick. I mean, it looked nice in there. But yeah. I had this on when I had a Miata back in the day. Actually, some videos on my freaking, my channel from it. Yeah, this thing is salty. I never drove this in the winter, but now, since the Ultima's down, I gotta drive this for right now until I fix it. But this is I forgot what the freaking called. The thing was called. Okay, I don't know. It's a used exhaust from my other car. They're like oil. What the hell is that? I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's what it is. I'd have to look at my old videos and see, because I made a video of like an exhaust clip. And I made a video of the actual car with it on there, so whatever. It was like 150 bucks. It sounds good. It doesn't sound raspy at all. Even with the resonator in it, it doesn't sound raspy whatsoever. What else is there? I gotta rep the night team. Shout out to fucking Jalen in Chicago. But yeah, like that's pretty much the update right now. Oh, I got these what do you call it? I got these sequential lights. This is just badass. That new currency bombs. But anyway, I just got this in the mail yesterday. This is gonna change the game. Change the game, yeah. Bam. This These sequential lights, they look pretty fucking sick when they're in the car. But this is what they look like right here. Oh wow, I wasn't even putting them in the screen. But yeah, here's the lights right here. The LED lights, they light up and shit like that. But this right here, like, what am I gonna do with this? I'm not. You know why I'm not gonna do this? What? Yeah. Come on, light up. That's what they're called, lights up. Look, this place. They're on Instagram. They're from Lithuania. I don't know if this is gonna freaking. There you go, lights up. They're from Lithuania. Shout out to them, but not shout out to them because there's no freaking directions, man. It's like this is not for dummies. This is for somebody that knows what they're doing. I don't know. Like, I thought it was gonna be easy install. You know what I'm saying? Yo, splice here, splice there. Wrong. No, I don't know. I even know what this is. This looks like a transformer of some sort. I don't know what these are. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm scared. I'm scared, man. I'm not scared, but I don't want nobody working on my car. I like to work on my car myself, but I'm not a wire guy. That's pretty much it. That is a update in all of its nutshell, all of its greatness. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so pretty much that's the update on the Roadster. Definitely keep you updated on the angled knuckles, drift knuckles for the Roadster. Definitely keep you posted on that. Maybe I'll enter a drift event. I don't know yet. I never drifted on a course before. Only in the back roads or like in a parking lot or something like that. But I don't know. We'll see what's going on this year. But keep posted on that. Yeah. Just for next time, I'll tell you to deuce. And I'm out.